In this use case, the customer wants to develop an AI model to detect and classify plant disease by processing camera data in real time on tractors in the field. In this demo, we will focus on the complete end-to-end AI model development workflow in AI Studio, starting with discovering models and data relevant to this use case, transfer learning, training these off-the-shelf models with one click, optimizing the models for running accurately and efficiently on the tractor in an open standard format, and then managing these deployed models in the field with Edge MLOps. This end-to-end model development workflow typically takes months to put into production, but with AI Studio, this was done in days. Let's take a look at this demo.
This demo showcases the transfer learning capability of AI Studio to easily build a solution for your use case. From the AI Studio dashboard, you have the option to utilize content from the Blaize marketplace, create a new project, or utilize the state-of-the-art intelligent conversational agent that helps recommend and guide users through the entire AI application development workflow. Let's use the agent to get started. The AI Studio model development workflow is built for users to easily create solutions for their specific needs. For this demo, we will utilize a plant disease dataset to show an agricultural use case. After loading a dataset, users are given the option to load an existing, pre-trained model, or build and train a model utilizing transfer learning for your classification or detection use case. To build a model for the dataset, AI Studio finds a model from a trusted source that best matches your data and downloads it for the training process. After a model is built, the accuracy based on your dataset is shown. AI Studio allows you to optimize the solution to meet your needs with industry-leading quantization options that are customized for Blaize Edge devices. Configuration options are provided to customize the optimization process to your needs. If the resulting accuracy does not meet expectations, the fine-tuning option is provided for further improvement. Let's go with what we have and create a deployment package. From here, you are able to deploy solutions to Blaize Edge hardware or export packages for use externally. Let's select the package that we created and add some data for inference testing. Now we will run the package on a Blaize GSP device. Here, you can see the inference results of the model that was built. After testing packages, it is easy to compare different solutions. This example showcases solutions which have been optimized or fine-tuned using different configuration options. This allows you to test solutions and choose which one best meets the needs of your use case. AI Studio accelerates the time to deployment from months to days.